Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a cartoon or sketch effect using PicsArt. So PicsArt allow you to easily turn your photos into cartoon style art or sketch effects. Whether you are just looking for fun or just want to have artistic touch on your photo, you can just follow the steps to get started. So the first method, you can just easily create a cartoon effect using the PicsArt effects. So just open your PicsArt app and then tap on the plus icon, and in here choose the photo that you want to edit. So for example, in here I'm going to just just this photos right here. Now once the photo is loaded, you can just tap on effects at the bottom and then just swipe until you find the artistic category, and then you can choose an effect like sketcher, this one, or maybe cartoonizer, this one's right here, or pop art. You can just swipe to find the effect that you want. So I'm going to just use this cartoonizer. You can click on the effects again to adjust the intensity of the effect and how it applies to your photos. You can tap on the check icon once you happy with the result. And the second method, you can also create a pencil sketch effects. So let's just undo this first. So again, you can just go to effects and find the sketch section. Here under the artistic, there are sketcher 1 and sketcher 2. You can just choose which one that you want. I'm going to just use the sketcher 2, and here you can again adjust the intensity to how you like it. And once you're satisfied with the result, you can click on a check icon. You can also combine effects for more creativity. You can click on a check icon first and then go to effects again to apply another effects to your photos. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.